What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Nio with the ticker symbol NIO. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So on this channel, I only look at the charts because the charts are my reality and it keeps my emotions in check. So the price action is never wrong, so let's find out what it's trying to do. Well, basically, it's headed lower. There's nothing bullish on this chart as of right now. And you see that price is staying below that EMA and is continuing to, trend lower and lower. So we can adjust that trend line to better fit the price action. This is the lowest point in this entire downtrend that began, 3 years ago. Let's find the exact date. So the downtrend started right back over here, basically January of 2021. So 3 years ago, a little bit more than 3 years ago now, price has been going down for the most part, and it's still looking pretty bearish. So the target that price is trying to reach is back at the all-time lows, or where this uptrend started from, which is sub $3 level. So if I invert the scale, you're going to see the difference. So again, the chart is just flipped upside down. And if I zoom out, you would think, okay, this is a very bullish looking chart. Look how much price has crashed and recovered. And it looks like it's about to make a new all-time high. So again, if this was the all-time highs right over here, you'd be saying, oh, it looks like we're about to break out. We're almost there towards those all-time high levels. So again, you would say this is a bullish looking chart. Again, the chart is flipped upside down. So let's put that back to normal. And you can see for the bears, they're trying to go for the all-time lows. So again, price is bearish. Is it guaranteed to go to those lower price levels? No, it's not. But I mean, I don't see anything telling me otherwise as of right now. So again, it's looking bearish. Price is below that $7 level, which it needed to stay above. It's below this long-term trend lines, below the short-term trend lines, below the EMA. It's just headed lower. There's no buyers at these price levels. People are waiting for lower price levels to buy from. I mean, there's always a buyer and a seller for every share, but I mean, the aggressive buyers are not trying to step in right now to turn this trend around. There's definitely a bearish imbalance, and there's more aggressive sellers in the market than aggressive buyers. So let's take a look back at the daily chart. Earnings is quite a bit away, so again, that catalyst for a reversal would be a long time away if one were to occur. That would be sometime in March. So here's a look at the weekly, and last week was bearish. This week is looking bearish as well. Could be start of another bearish week, and yeah, it's looking like it wants to come back down to these stronger support levels, sub $3. So again, Nio looking bearish. Don't have any major update. It's just slowly continuing to grind down lower and lower. I mean, the good news is that price is near fair value, you could say, because this is where price, trend tends to trade sideways. And normally when you see that in a stock, you could say that's fair value. That's when buyers and sellers are generally in agreement. So right over here would be, a place where Nio would start to, trade sideways instead of down. So I'm not saying it's going to go into zero, but I'm saying this is an area where price is going to start slowing down, probably trade sideways, and then eventually maybe reverse higher. So that's what I see for Nio, because look at there wasn't a lot of support built up in this entire move up higher, and all the liquidity got sucked out, and it's headed back right to the starting point of that entire up move. So again, expecting lower prices in the short term and long term for Nio as of right now. Nothing bullish that stands out to me. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.